Introduction to Expert Option and Referral Benefits. Introduction to Expert Option. Begin by introducing Expert Option, explaining it as an online trading platform where users can trade assets like stocks, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and Forex. Mention that Expert Option is suitable for both beginners and experienced traders due to its user-friendly tools and advanced features. Benefits of signing up using your referral link in the description. Explain that viewers can access exclusive bonuses and features by signing up using the referral link in the video description. Highlight special benefits such as deposit bonuses, premium account features, or lower trading fees available exclusively through your referral link. Guide to signing up with your referral link. Step 1. Instruct viewers to click on your referral link provided in the description below the video. Step 2. Show them how to go to the Expert Option registration page and create a new account with their basic details, name, email, phone number. Step 3. Walk them through the verification process to secure their account. Step 4. Demonstrate how to deposit funds into their account using a payment method, bank cards, e-wallets, or crypto, and explain any specific bonus offers available through your referral. Starting to trade on an Expert Option. Step 1. Give a walkthrough of the Expert Option platform, showing the key features such as asset selection, trade amount input, and expiration time for binary options. Step 2. Demonstrate the available tools such